Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For today I have two of my most recent pickups that I've acquired in the last couple weeks. I think there'll be a couple pairs you guys definitely know and will like. One pair is a pair that just recently came out, and the other pair is an older pair from earlier this year that a lot of people don't really know about, I don't think. So I got those to show you guys. Well, let me start with these first. So we have just a regular Nike box. 4-inch Nike box, size 14. I had to go size up a little bit in these because I wasn't sure how they'd fit. Nothing fancy about the box, but let's get into it. So as you open the box, you are greeted with the Nike Dunk High Michigans. So for me, this is a really big grail shoe of mine. With the whole history of Dunks kind of coming back into play and then being hyped up, I like the Dunk Highs more than the lows. Especially during the fall and winter time, they'll go better with pants in my opinion. The colorway is amazing. The quality is pretty good, honestly. For a $120 shoe, the quality is pretty good. They come with extra laces. They come with the maize yellow and just the regular white. Here's the other shoe. I did end up getting these off StockX because I couldn't find anyone near me who was selling a pair. I got these for a really good price. I ended up getting these for $190, so $70 over retail, which isn't bad at all, I think. Eventually these will go up, so I thought I'd buy them now while I could. I think personally I'm gonna put the yellow laces in there. I think that will look the best in these for myself, but the white could also look cool too. This is a shoe that I've been wanting since it came out. Didn't get them on release, didn't get them on the restock, so I just bought them off StockX because I wanted them so bad. I know they're gonna go up eventually, especially with the holidays and winter, so everyone starts buying shoes. But yeah, it's a very nice shoe. Excited to wear these. Look out for an Instagram flick in these. That's really all I have for these. I'm gonna do an in-depth review soon on this pair for you guys, so look out for that video coming soon. And let's get to the second pair I've recently acquired. Boom. So this is the second pair I'm gonna have for you guys today. Coming in a Nike SB box, the new 2021. They are a Nike SB Blazer, I think mids, yeah, Nike SB Zoom Blazer mid, quick strikes. Retail was $95. Black sale, blue void. I got these in a 13, my true size. If you guys haven't seen the new box, has the Nike SB right there. It's just got kind of like a rainbow colorway. I think these are really cool boxes that Nike's doing for the new Nike SBs. It's definitely creative and different. It's like when they had the pink boxes and stuff like that from back in the day. Let's get into these. So again, once you open these, we have the Nike SB Blazer mid collaboration with Isle Skateboards, which is a skateboarding team slash brand company out of the UK, I believe. If you haven't seen the Nike SB video for this shoe, I definitely recommend going and watching it. That's like a big reason why I ended up actually buying these. As you can see, it's just an all black shoe. It's got the all black rubber midsole and outsole. It's got like a nubuck, I'd say. I don't think it's a suede. Black laces. They do come with this like oatmeal cream color. I'm colorblind, so I think it's one of those. Comes with like the unfinished tongue. Right here, if you watch the Nike SB video, you'll know what this is from. I think that's a really cool detail, this big patch on the side. You really wouldn't know what these were unless you were really into shoes and knew a lot about this collab. Here's the other shoe for you guys. Same thing, just on a different foot. And I did get these off of StockX as well. I ended up getting these for only $125, which is, what, $30 over retail? Which honestly isn't bad when you think about it. These do have like a leather inside, and then the Isle stitching on the back. And then one of the cool parts is there's not really a swoosh. It's kind of like how customizers would like cut the swooshes off of the Air Forces recently. It's kind of like that, and they just put the patch over it. So it's kind of just like a stitched on, or like a stitching of the swoosh on both sides. I don't know if you guys can see that or not on that. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but these are just a really cool pair. And I believe the graphics the same on both. Yeah, the graphics the same. These are one of those pairs that I'll probably do like a vintage fit with these, and I'll definitely switch out the laces to make it not so it's all black. I like these because I like skating. I'm not really great at it, but these are my two most recent pickups. I want to just thank everyone for coming and stopping by, watching the video. And if you have any questions or anything, I will be doing in-depth reviews on definitely the Michigan Dunks. I might do one on these depending on the amount of people that might want it. So comment down below which pair you're more looking forward to, and I'll definitely get that out to you guys as soon as possible. Hope everyone has a great rest of their day, morning, night, whatever time it is where you guys are. And thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Peace.